weren't on purpose just to come see me, are you? Trying not to almost die every day?
You blue nose. I eat you now! Play fun, even when lose!
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you?
Every hunt is a new lesson. If I knock you down quickly, you might be safe.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. Defeat does not defeat me.
You've just taken the first step toward good taste. Tell everyone you got it here.
Made short work of that one.
Next time, it lasts longer.
Whatever doesn't kill me makes me angry.
I love this company. I love spend 300 more for free shipping. I'll carry it to your vehicle. Ooh, that one's on sale. Buy 200, get one free.
There is a power in me I can't control. Be careful.
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. All cannon, no ball.
We take pride in our restorations. Our items have lived. They have stories.
Reward the peaceful, punish the war. Use that for the good of all. I'm so glad we could share this experience today. Your aura guided me what you needed.
One part sulfur, 2 parts. Was it bismuth? I flunked again.
The Bazaar is a good teacher.
Yo-Yo sells junk. They don't make these like they used to.
I will try to be gentle.
Mind if my crew films this for the show? Oops! Sometimes I lose track of all these arms.
Cast aside your deathstruments! I can feel our energies resonating.
I can play you the Ganjo, or I can play you the knife. Your choice. Phew! Gotta hand it to you. That was a mighty fine tussling.
world has strange folk, strange ways. And I'm learning all of them.
There are a lot of steps in this staircase, but it's beautiful up there.
Suit yourself, darling.
Don't hurt them, creature.
No promises.
Seagate is lovely this time of year, don't you think? Quark Fable gave that to me on our first date.
Community complaints? Talk to my advisor, Mr. Barkington. If you're so tough, let's hear your foreign policy plan.
You're not just buying my Ready? You're going to feel a little tingle.
Gigamart's owner is the ultimate businessman. Take the deal. But buying things is the whole point of it.
Some hunters lay traps. I like to face my prey.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
feel them in my head. They want me to test you. You done whoop me up good. Woo! Stronger, finally.
Oh, sure. I can help you, but you have to trust me. Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
Sharpened claws, Kates are impressed.
If you wake up the creature, what happens next is on you.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you.
I would never debase my wares by haggling. Ugh. Ugh. Window shop.
Make deals, not war. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
For the Bazarian Defense Corps! Defeat is part of war. A soldier accepts it with dignity.
If there's one thing I've learned from a life in the movies, it's how to turn silver into gold. Now go out there and be...
Creature gets stronger too.
That's what I'm afraid of.
The key to moving faster is seeing around the distance.
Whatever you want from me, it's not what you'll get.
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
Nothing, your reality is so fragile, so malleable.
Groundlings.
Well fought, groundling. Well enough.
Who I am, a longer life, is not always a gift.
Yes, and only monsters.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. You might try JJ's shop. Real friendly guy.
I must warn you, I am more than I appear.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist... Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
Don't touch the piles. Everything is organized.
Some hunters would call these weapons unsporting. But I don't hunt for sport.
There's no one to change it. Me. It was already like that.
have what you need? I'll help you find who does.
The hunt goes this well. Might be too much meat.
Gifted creature.
To trust us, they bless you with health. Do not squander it.
These are my hunting grounds. Find your own.
In 100 years when you are dust, I will remain. I have no pride for you to wound.
Try your luck. You can't lose.
Abracadabra, it's one of these things.
The dunes are waves on a sea of gold. Return to the Bazaar. Do not corrupt us.
What have you got?
I'm getting closer to the answers. Sketching a map in my mind.
You may know everything about hunting, but what you don't know is the Bazaar. So, if I ever meet this creature, you really think he'd hurt me?
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. You leave it behind, someone else finds it.
I hunt monsters, not people. But for you, I'll make an exception. Something sleeps within me. Don't wake it up.
It's not overpriced. Or over typical. All browse, no buy.
the smaller proportions, the finer. Shall I gift wrap it for you?
Is this all I am? Just another 38 years, 20 planets, thousands of kills. And I'm still learning.
A friend! I mean, do you have to leave already? I get it. You're busy. Enjoy your purchase.
Please, you don't want to do this. If the creature takes over, run. The creature, it's just an illusion I use to scare prey. Nothing more.
You say ask anyone. It's always been this way.
Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains. I feel like that decision comes from a negative place.
You're interrupting my experiment.
Blast! Not enough bismuth in the antimony.
Stronger now than the prime of my youth. Or have I even reached it?
Feel the difference? That's some masculine craft.
The forests on Tegan would eat you alive.
You do see these tusks, right? Oh, don't let this get you down! Eyes on the prize, huh?
not the end for you. I have seen it.
I look human. Many monsters do.
Lethal substances, my business. What you do with them is yours. I won't tell anybody you've got that. Element of surprise, you know? Haha.
Did it really change? Or did you misremember?
My excavation days are over, but Pearl keeps me supplied. Who were these people? Where did they go? Such is the mystery.
Amazing they'd pay me for this. They can't deal with such weak beasts. Whatever species I am, I might still be growing.
You have at least a grain of wisdom, since you have come to me. The violent path, Ayla is your teacher.
Some hunters would call these weapons unsporting. But I don't hunt for sport. I've been tracking you across the Outlands. Your scent is strong.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
wish they'd leave me alone. But it is a pleasure to make them.